Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. Today we're going to be taking care of that nasty whistling noise that I have on my new Toyota Tacoma. And the reason I have this is because I removed the air dam that you can probably see sitting right up there. That is the dam that was across the front of the truck for fuel economy. At least that's the consensus. Ugly looking thing, don't like it, took it off. But now we have 8 holes in the control arms underneath the truck that kind of act like when you blow over the top of an empty pop bottle. You remember pop bottles? You get that kind of humming sound. Well, that's the same thing that's happening underneath the truck. The wind is blowing across those holes. It's creating this kind of bass, low-toned kind of sound that you can definitely hear, no doubt about it. So what I did, I ordered these. They were highly suggested by a bunch of people in my Facebook group. If you haven't checked that out, there is a link down below. But anyway, these are supposedly 3/4 inch plugs. Now, a word of caution, and we'll find out. I had bought some 3/4 inch plugs from Lowe's. They don't work. So anybody that tells you to get 1-inch plugs, forget about it. They're not going to work for you. These are supposed to fit right in underneath. Now, to do this, I'm going to drag a rubber mallet under there with me in case I need to smack it a little bit. And of course, a flashlight so I can see. So let's first of all redirect the fan because it's freaking hot out here. And crawl underneath the truck. Helps to have a creeper too, unless you want to scooch around on the floor. I'm not much for that. So I'm going to try to show you guys where these are, and I think I can do that. Hopefully I have the truck at the right angle. But they are located right there. I don't know if you got, yeah, you should be able to see them. You see those 4 holes. And there are more holes, but it's only those 4 that are in the picture right there that we're supposed to be able to put some plugs in. All right, we have one here. That fits. I'm not sure if I like how it fits. It fits really well, but will it stay in there? Hopefully. But you can see they do fit. Might not be a bad idea to put just a dab of adhesive or something on them. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll check them ongoing and see if they're still there. They're not very expensive, so it's not like it's going to cost me a fortune or anything if they don't stay in. Of course, the next time around I would put some adhesive in. And I know there are people who have plugged every one of these holes. I mean, you got another hole up here and some more holes back here and around. I don't think these fit those holes, but while I'm under here, why not? No, they don't fit those holes. So that's it for that side. Now let's go over to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. And of course, I did not need my mallet, so I'm happy about that. I can actually see this side a little bit better, I think. Anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get them in there. I can't wait to see if this works. Everybody says it does, so, you know, everything you read on the internet is true, of course. And one more. Yeah, and they fit well. I mean, maybe too well. Anyway, that puts all of those on. You guys can see it. Now we're going to go for a ride and see if I still hear that whistling sound under here. Okay, we're in the truck, obviously. And I'm going to go, it seems to kick in and really be noticeable, the sound, around 25 to 35 miles an hour. And then maybe faster, I don't know. I really haven't noticed it faster than that, but I'm sure it's still there. So we're going 28 right now. I'm going to get on a road. We're going to accelerate on up to 30, which is prime time for this sound. And I'll be quiet. And let's hear if you can hear it right now. If you're familiar with the noise, then you absolutely know what I'm talking about. By the way, I did switch cameras because I think this one picks up ambient noise more than the other one, so you'd be able to hear it. You might be able to hear the air conditioning in the way background, obviously the acceleration of the truck, but not that sound at this speed. Now, we're going to jump out on a 55 mile an hour road here, assuming the guy who thinks it's Sunday, well, I guess it is Sunday, but he's driving really slow, so I'm kind of hoping he picks up the pace a little bit so I can at least hit 55. I'll wait a second, give him a little bit of a head start. And we'll see if we get any noise up to 55. So I'll be quiet as we accelerate, and you guys can hear for yourself. You can hear the turbo. All right, we're at 55. And I've heard nothing, certainly nothing like the noise I was hearing before. Again, obviously, you're going to get wind noise and stuff. I mean, it's windy outside anyway, and we're moving through the wind, so you're going to get some noise. But that fix, those 8 plugs, that takes care of the problem. It's pretty simple to do. I certainly would not pay anybody to do that. I wouldn't take it to the dealer if you've removed the air dam on the front, complain about some kind of noise. You know, I'll leave a link down below. These plugs do work. Again, beware of others. I bought 2 different versions. Neither one of them worked. And I did buy a 3/4 inch from Lowe's, not the ones that were 1 inch that I showed in the beginning. And they did not work. I even beat on them with a rubber mallet, and all that did was deform the plug, and it wouldn't go in the hole. So the ones that I'm going to mark down below, they work. At least they work on my truck. You guys saw. Anyway, just wanted to kind of solve that little mystery for some. I get a lot of questions in my Facebook group about it. It's another one of those things that's kind of like air conditioning condensation. Everybody seems to know about it now, so that when you ask, people are like, well, how can you possibly not know? Well, you don't know until you know, right? Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know if you've experienced it, are experiencing it, and if you've done the fix. I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.